Hello everyone, my name is Ronak Singh and welcome back my show मुद्दे की बात मेरे साथ. And today here is my special guest Miss Vedika. She also a professor in Delhi University. And my today topic is about education. As we know very well, education plays a very important role in every life. So today we ask some general questions to about education. And here is my special guest Miss Vedika. So put your hand together for Mr. Vedika. So hello ma'am, how are you?
I'm fine. And what about you?
I'm also fine. So ma'am, I have some questions about education. So are you ready for my questions?
Yes.
Okay. So my first question is, what do you think about education system?
Okay, so I think our education system is not so good. If I talk about other countries, the other countries' education system is so good in comparison of India, because they provide equal education of every person. But in India, we provide not equal education for everyone. We have so many private and government school. We have a different education. And I think government change the education system. We provide a same education system of every person.
Okay. And why education is most important for everyone?
Okay, I think in my opinion, education plays a very important role in everyone's life, because when we educate, so education there are so many career opportunities. Like when we educate, so we are successful in our life. We have a better lifestyle because of education, and education also provide us personal growth. When we are educated, so we are confident. We are able to define ourselves in society. And I think education is important in everyone's life.
As we know very well, every man have a goal, every man have a dream. So how education help to achieve his dream, everyone's dream?
Okay, I think when we are educated, as I mentioned you, that education plays a very important role. And if we educated, so we achieve anything in our life, what we want in our life. I think education is important for our success, because when we educate, there are so many skills, and we have so many knowledge. And I also have confidence. When we are educated, we able to define ourselves in every person. We have a knowledge to express ourselves, and I think education is important for our success.
Okay, ma'am, we live a good society, and what is the reason behind it? Our society give more respect a educated person.
Because they think that the educated person is more powerful than the normal person. Because you know that when we saw the normal person who have no educated, so they think that they are not educated, so they have no confidence, and they not communicate pupils. But when we saw a educated person, so they communicate easily with pupils. So I think the society fear the person who have educated.
Okay. In our society, have a many person who do not about educations. So how we promote our education system?
Okay, so I think we promote our education system, because our society is also not aware for education. So I think we aware our society to more and more educated, because without education we cannot survive. Because education is a tool for everyone's life. It's a powerful tool, because when we are not educated, so we not do anything in our life. Because of education, we have so many things in our life. We are confident. We are a better career opportunities. We are a better lifestyle. So education plays a very important role, and we aware our society to more and more educate.
Okay. And what is the loopholes of our education system?
Okay, so if I talk about I don't know. Okay, if I talk about the loopholes or of our society, so in my thing, the teachers of our society is not good for students. They not give a better education of our students, because we saw that there are so many government colleges are here, where teacher come and they not teach the student, and they waste their time. So I think we improve the government teacher in our society. We change the teachers I think we provide a better education for our students. That's why we have a better teachers for our students.
Okay. So ma'am, in your opinion, reservation is good in education system or not?
Okay, I think reservation is not good for our society or our education system, because there are so many persons are here. We have the reservation of SC, OBC. So I think we government have a equal education in everyone's. We have removed the reservation and we give equal education of everyone.
Okay. So in our India, our government take 18% GST in education system. So this is good or bad?
I think it is not good, because there are so many persons are here who not afford the education fees. I think we remove the tax of education, because everyone not afford it.
Okay. So friends, Miss Vedika gave so many answers about education, and she proved that how education is most important for every life. Thank you.